Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this toilet seat is very loose. It's been loose for a while and I kept putting off the idea of trying to fix it 'cause to be honest I didn't have a clue what to do. But I've just watched a video on YouTube and it looks fairly straightforward. So I'm going to credit that video in the description of this video if I can do it. This is the first time I've ever tried to tighten the toilet seat. So I'm going to put some gloves on, and like I said, if this works I will credit the original video that I watched because they made it look very, very straightforward. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm going to focus on there now and lock that in, putting the gloves on, and I'm not very good at DIY at all, hence the reason I've been putting this task off for a good few weeks now. But apparently all you need is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips one. So let's see how it works. So first of all, you've got to straighten the toilet seat up to the position where you want it. So make sure it's nice and straight. Then you lift it open. Now this is where I'm not too sure. Okay, so down here there's a button, if you can see that. So I'm guessing you press that in. Yep, there we go. And hold that button in, that releases the whole toilet seat. And now you can see you've got these things here. That's where the flathead screwdriver comes into play. You use that to pop these up. There we go, first one. I'm going to put that over there actually, so it doesn't go in the toilet. Second one. Literally just putting the flathead screwdriver underneath it to release it. There we go. Now you can see that's why they're so loose, because these things are just sliding around all over the place. So now this is where the Phillips screwdriver comes into play, and we're literally just tightening these screws on here. Now that one's pretty tight already. This is the problem one. I'm going to tighten that nice and tight. Like that, there we go. They don't wobble at all now. And in theory, this just slots back on. Let's see how I fixed it after watching one YouTube video and putting this task off for weeks. There we go. No wobble. Well, tiny little wobble, but you're always going to get a tiny wobble. Look at that. Perfect. There we go. So yeah, like I said, I will credit the person that actually showed me how to do that. Really, really simple. And that is definitely a way to impress your wife with a little bit of DIY. Thanks very much for watching.